Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to transfer money from your CTBC Bank account to GCash? Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from CTBC to GCash. Here's a quick and easy guide to help you do it. First of all, open your GCash app and ensure you are logged in. On the dashboard, tap on Cash In to start the process. Next, choose Online Banks from the list of cash in methods. Scroll through the list and select CTBC Bank for Philippines Corporation. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then tap Next and confirm the transaction. You will be redirected to CTBC Bank's online banking portal. Log in with your credentials. Review the transaction details and authorize the transfer. Once confirmed, the funds will be instantly credited to your GCash wallet. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from CTBC Bank to GCash. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful banking tips. Thanks for watching.